Hello, I'm Angie. So, have you ever wondered how you can ground but also connect to infinite universal consciousness at the same time? Okay, that's what I'm going to talk about in this video. So I'm Angie. Welcome to the Witch's Path. So there is a breath pattern you can practice that will not only ground you, but it will also connect you via your crown chakra, your third eye, and also your aura to that infinite universal wisdom, that infinite universal connection. And it's called the 448 breath. So, I mean, this is a breath work from when I was in a yoga practice, when I was learning how to be a yoga teacher, and it also came up when I did some Akashic record training, like how to access the Akashic records in regard to soul realignment. So it's a very powerful breath, and it has three parts to it. It has the inhale, it has the breath retention, and it has an elongated exhale. So the inhale kind of speaks for itself. And if you are unsure whether you're breathing properly, then that's the video you need to watch. It'll also be at the end of this video. So are you breathing properly? Yeah. And once you get the hang of the breathing properly, then this kind of breath becomes even more powerful. Okay, so you've got the inhale, and usually we do 4-4-8. So it's breathe in for 4, hold for 4, breathe out for 8. If for any reason that is not comfortable, you can cut that time in half. So you can breathe in for 2, hold for 2, breathe out for 4. And also, if that is comfortable for you, you can extend it. So you could do 6-6-12, for example. Yeah, if you really want to go for it, you could go 8-8-16. So it depends where you are. You start where you are, obviously. So the inhale speaks for itself. The retention of the breath. Now that's important, because what that does is it triggers that response, that connection to endings, to death, to the fear of whatever that is for you. Yeah, so it puts it in front of you, and through retaining the breath you confront that fear. So it's, you know, whatever that fear is for you, but particularly it taps that thing of I'm not breathing, I'm not breathing, I'm not breathing. And you'll be surprised, once you relax into it, you'll be surprised just how long you can sustain that breath retention for. So start where you are with that, okay? So you got the inhale, the retention, and the exhale. Now the exhale is twice as long as the inhale and the retention. The reason for that being is that it taps into the relaxation response. So what do I mean by that? Okay, so have you ever wondered why, when you sing, yeah, why it makes you feel better? Ever wondered that? It's because the exhale is always longer than the inhale. Okay? So when you make your exhale longer than your inhale, it will automatically trigger the relaxation response. That's why it's magic. So through this breath work, you can get grounded. You can, if you wanted to, when you inhale, you could actually breathe in that inhale to the heart chakra. So that's kind of killing two birds with one stone there, yeah. So you could be activating your heart chakra as well. And then when you are connecting via the crown chakra to that infinite source, yeah, of wisdom, not infinite, pardon me, divine source energy, that's your grounding. But when you are connected to the wisdom of the universe, which is pretty magnificent, really, that's in the breath retention. And then, like I say, the relaxation comes with the elongated exhale. Okay, so we're just going to do that. You and me, yeah, we're just going to do that right now. So get yourself comfortable. Okay, we're going to close the eyes. You can bring in crystals here if you want to, anything that kind of relaxes you. If you wanted to, you could burn some incense. It's entirely up to you. I always recommend either making your own or buying loose incense rather than using the stick stuff, because it's not great. And believe me, we used to buy tons of stick incense until we started making our own. Completely different experience. Okay, so grab whatever you need. It's usually best to do breath work sitting up. So if you can sit cross-legged or in easy pose, that's cool. If not, sit up against the wall, or if you're in bed, sit up against the wall in bed, or you can sit on a chair. Yeah, there's no excuses. I'm not taking any excuses for not doing this work. All right. Okay, so closing the eyes. You can bring the hands into Gyan Mudra if you like, just resting them on your legs. So we're going to breathe in for 4. And then we retain the breath. So all you're doing is putting your breath, your exhale on pause here for 4. And then we breathe out for 8. So don't forget, if 4, 4, 8 is too much, halve it. Yeah, 2, 2, 4. If you want to go further, do it for longer, but just make sure the exhale is twice as long as the inhale and the retention. Okay, so we're going to do that again. Breathe in for 4. Hold for 4. Breathe out for 8. Breathe in for 4. Hold for 4. Breathe out for 8. So we're going to do that one more time, and then you can go away and practice that. Breathe in for 4. Hold for 4. Breathe out for 8. Okay. So when you're doing that breath and your lungs are filling, I want you to come back to that image of filling like a balloon. So your ribs move out and slightly up as your diaphragm moves down, your belly rises, and everything, the air just fills your lungs like you're filling a balloon with air. Okay, so you might think, oh my god, but this is too much to be thinking about. If you practice, it will come naturally. Okay, Don't forget, when something looks really easy, it's because that person has spent years practicing it. That makes it look so easy. Yeah. I mean, the amount of times I see someone playing a guitar and I think, wow, I wish I could play guitar like that, but I've never played guitar. Yeah. So give yourself space to practice this. Okay. It will come. I promise you. Okay. So if you love what we're doing here, there is options to donate via PayPal underneath in the description. There is also all the links to all the places where we are. So we are on MeWe, we're on Pinterest, obviously we're on YouTube, we're on BitChute, we're on brand new Tube, where else? We're on Soundcloud as well, which is really cool. And if you want to sign up for the Sekhmet, the alchemical healing meditations with Sekhmet, you can do that by clicking on the crystalsrockearth.weebly.com. And it's on the Sekhmet page. Okay, I think that's it for now. Yeah, we're done here. Be fearless. Satnam.